Alright, time to see how the MTX does. Fired at 1 ohm. This thing's only supposed to be 2 ohm stable, but we're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna turn the bass boost up all the way. Turn the gain down to where I had it last year where there was no clipping, but I'll turn it down just a little bit to be sure. Power supply. I don't know if I want to turn it all the way up. Turn it down a little bit. Cause I've seen a few amplifiers that get weird when they start seeing 15 volts. So keep it around there. That way I know it's like 14.1 or something. So alright, let's play Juice Box by Grills Oak.
What up, Chuck? A lot of women out here.
I got that so the little port can breathe down there, or the vent.
His name is something else.
Barely moving. I know the box isn't that pretty, but I decided to throw a little paint on it. But anyway, stay tuned for another video, except next time it'll be in the box. See ya.